Have you ever stopped to think about what it takes to get that perfectly chewy dried mango, or how every piece of jerky in a bag has the same texture? The answer is some pretty amazing technology. This is a look into the surprising science of perfectly dry food. We're not talking about a few apple slices, we are talking about industrial scale with tons and tons of product. How do you get that perfect chewy but not leathery texture? Not just once, but in every single batch. It's a huge puzzle. The challenge is that drying at a massive scale isn't just about making something hot. It's a precise, delicate dance of physics and engineering. The core theory is a simple two-step loop. First, moving air acts like a sponge soaking up water from the food. Second, a system wrings all that moisture back out of the air. Then you just repeat the cycle until the product is perfectly dry. Doing it efficiently is the real trick. Anyone can blast something with hot air, but the real engineering magic is doing it with pinpoint control over temperature and humidity, all while being incredibly energy efficient. The machine that solves this problem is the hero of our story. The system is modular with different models for different needs, so a business can pick the exact size and power that's right for them, whether they're a small operation or a massive producer. The largest model can pull 225 pounds of water out of food every single hour. That's almost 27 gallons of water, a serious amount of industrial power. How is it so efficient? The secret isn't brute force, it's a clever energy recycling engine. The machine is basically an air conditioner and a space heater working together in a single closed loop. One part gets super cold to literally pull water out of the air, and another part gets super hot to warm that air back up to dry the food. Here's the play-by-play. First, a compressor squeezes refrigerant gas, making it hot. This heat warms the air that dries the food. Then the refrigerant expands, making it intensely cold. The moist air passes over these freezing coils, and the water condenses out and drains away. The most brilliant part is that all the heat is captured and recycled back into the system. It's a continuous, incredibly efficient loop. Raw power is useless if you can't control it. The brains of the operation are a computer system that uses a drying schedule. This is a multi-step recipe for food. You don't just set one temperature. Different foods and different stages of drying need different conditions. The system lets you program the entire process from beginning to end automatically. The level of precision is mind-boggling. In time mode, a step runs for a set time, say 4 hours. But in validation mode, that 4-hour timer doesn't even start until the chamber has hit the perfect temperature and humidity you've programmed. This guarantees every batch gets the exact same treatment. Operators can tweak every step from temperature and relative humidity to fan speed and direction. It's a complete command center. So when you boil it all down, this isn't just a box. It's a sophisticated piece of engineering, a closed-loop system that brilliantly recycles energy to do a specific job. It is a vital and almost completely invisible part of how we get amazing food to our tables. The next time you open a bag of jerky or dried fruit, you'll know about the incredible science that went into it. What other invisible technologies are out there, hiding in plain sight, just quietly making our modern world work? To learn more about Nyle and their energy-efficient heat pump dehydrators, visit www.niledehydrators.com or give us a call at 1-800-777-6953.